Alright, so for y'all that don't want to wait, you just want to get to the actual video, you can skip to like 2:16 or so, but if you want the background and whatnot, start watching now. Anyways, yeah, we're on the freeway and whatnot, going back to the motherfucking the dealership, because tell me why. So, we're about to buy this car, right? Literally have everything, set, ready. All we needed was one paper. In a matter of 2 days, they sell the car. One day, they sell the car. Knew I was interested. Literally, knew we had everything set. And they sold the car. My wig has flown off. And I'm upset about it. Very upset. But that's okay. That is okay. What?
What the fuck are you doing?
Why are you watching me? Why you need to know? Anyways, yeah.
Look, little hoe.
I love it when she calls me names. Anyways, yeah. That's what's going on. So we're going back. I'm in the middle of my story time, and you're literally interrupting. I don't have the patience for you.
Anyways, my ass home because you're ungrateful, little hoe. You're ungrateful. And I don't have time for the BS.
Louder.
And I will not tolerate it.
Louder,
I will not tolerate you talking to me in that manner.
Anyways.
Ungrateful ass children these days.
Right? Such a shame. Anyways, yeah. So we're going back to try, because they're like, oh, we have other ones, here like that, that might suit you.
But they ain't finna give us no bullshit.
Right. They ain't about to give us no BS.
Thinking they finna give us some shit with 180,000 miles on it.
Okay, but wait. Homegirl was low-key so psychic. Wait until the end of the video. Just wait. Hey vlog, so I'm back at the dealership. I've decided to give them another try. Trash has been presented to me. Trash. Do you see this?
Oh, hell no! Let me show y'all bitches something. I will take this shit out. I swear.
Do I look like trash can be presented in front of me? I'm about to cry because it's I'm feeling disrespected.
Leave it. For real.
I'm upset.
Just laughing at me.
You put me in such an uncomfortable situation. I'm not happy. I'm trying to see if it'll work out here, and I know that it's not.
This is trash.
This has to be a joke. I do not believe this is happening.
If he's already presented this piece of... Do you see that? The seats and everything are ripped. And it's just
Lena, don't.
Mom, I have told you if trash was presented in front of me, I'm getting up and walking away. And he pulls up here another piece of trash. Because he said he has another one. If this is already being presented in front of me first, the second is any worse. And I don't think it can get worse.
I think you can take a picture so you can show Daddy. Take a picture.
I'll be back, vlog. I will be back. He's pulling up another one now. I already do not like the look of this car. Yeah. Okay, so currently I'm walking away. Another piece of trash was presented to me. No, I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Mom, I'm leaving. Trash is being presented to me. I'm leaving. No. I need the keys. Mom. I'm distraught.
Look at it,
I'm completely distraught. Never again will I step foot on this dealership lot.
Listen.
after they sold the car that I was originally getting, in a matter of 2 days after we had everything, one day after I had everything correct, and then I come back, and instead of offering me even a better car for the inconvenience, they give me trash and garbage. Trash and garbage is pulled up. Okay, so I know some of y'all are already coming for my wig. You're gonna be like, oh my god, those are already nice cars, like from the outside. Y'all had to see the insides. They were so, like, they were tore up from the floor up. It was a hot mess. Like, don't let the outside fool you. Okay, the one had over like 100 and something thousand miles on it. This other one here, what is that? It says service. The car needs service.
Did this bitch really just try me? I know this dusty, crusty, musty, low-budget, ashy-looking bitch did not try me. Not me, no. Does this bitch know that I'm crazy?
And the dog on my pants.
Really?
No,
Okay. Oh, maybe it's okay.
I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all. Like, he literally pulled up trash and garbage before me. Like, y'all. 186,000 on the second one. Like I said before, we have named that one trash, and this one's gonna be named garbage. Mom. It's time for me to go home and light my candles, take a shower, and go to sleep. I work at 6 a.m. in the morning. My patience is already low from today, and I'm ready to go.
Hanging from the thing.
And I'm ready to go.
Let's just see. 'Cause these are-
There's literally nothing else to see here. This is what they think is okay.
No, they might just go ahead and do something like that. I talking about the accident.
We all know I do not have patience as it is. I'm working on myself.
You
Mom,
working.
I'm working on myself, and this is the obstacles that I'm facing. When I'm working on myself, I need things to be taken one step at a time, and this here has put me back.
God doesn't put any more on you than you can bear,
Mom.
my dear.
I'm literally in tears, and
Come on, let's just go sit down and see what they say.
All right. I know you need one like yesterday.
so basically the man gave us his card and was like, oh, if something come in, you know, we're gonna contact you, blah blah blah. Ain't nobody contacted him. I don't even want to step foot on that dealership again. Never again. And I mean that.